Hello, my name is Richard Yates. I am starting a new free tutorial series on my website, richardyates.com. This tutorial series is going to focus mainly on iOS programming, application development using Xcode, and SpriteKit game development. I am a hobbyist game developer. I began about 2 years ago and have 3 apps on the App Store right now. I hope that by doing this I can generate some interest in people wanting to continue along this path and sort of join us in the realm of game development. We're going to start with just a quick little rundown of my website, how it works, and also for anybody that's going to be contributing to my website, this will be a great intro into how the menu structure is going to work. And also anybody that's interested in learning how to set up a WordPress website to show to the users what would look like multiple blogs, but is really just one main blog that is set up into different categories. So I have a menu that's just the main menu set up on the top here. Just a home button brings you to the home. The blogs, this is what I've been mentioning. These look like individual blogs, but there's actually just one blog with different categories that have been set up in the menu. Available apps here is just a list of the apps that I have available on the iOS App Store right now. And then just a couple other pointers running to different sections of the website, different pages, and then a contributors link page here, which is just a bunch of individual pages for anybody that is going to be contributing to the website, and it's their about information setups. So I'm just going to log into my site here. This is the metadata. This is where you're going to log in once you're done. Pull it off the screen here, do a quick login. And not show anybody the password. And here she goes. Okay, so the first thing you see when you log into any WordPress site is the dashboard. This is just a snapshot of the environment of the web page. WordPress sites are essentially blogs, so most of the information and activity is done in the blog section. So I just created a quick little test blog here while I was setting up for this tutorial. So what I did is you click Add New under the Edit Post, you give it a name, just put in a test, and what we're doing on my website is we're tagging everything using an individual category. So in this case I just tagged it under the beer blog. One other thing to note is anybody that's going to be publishing on my website, under the Publicize section here, click Edit, and you're going to go ahead and remove some of these links because I'll probably end up just deleting these in the future anyway. But what these do is they automatically publicize any posting you do to my Twitter account, LinkedIn, and Facebook pages. Anyway, when it's all said and done, you're going to click Publish. Right now it says Update because it already exists. If you ever want to add an additional category, just click on the categories under the posting menu here. And you can give a new category, anything you want. I've been calling these things blogs just to give the appearance that they are individual blogs. To set up the menu for anybody that's doing this themselves, under the appearance here, if you go to the menus tab, you can create your own individual menu structures, which is what I've done. And in the customize section here, I've given the main menu this menu pointer. So I've just created a couple quick little URL buttons here under the links section here. You can just create anything, type in a web address and pop it in there, and then whenever they click on that button, it'll just point them towards that address. So this just points to the main home page. What the blogs one here is it's a point or a holder place URL, so it doesn't do anything. All it's doing is setting up a menu button, which will allow the sub menu to pop down underneath it when anybody hovers over it. And these individual sections here are pulled over from the category menu here. So all you do is you click these buttons, click Add to Menu, and then drag them around in any section you want. And each one of these categories is going to point to the individual categories we set up in the post section. And all that does is give the appearance, when we go straight to my main web page, of exactly what you saw to start. One blog split up into several different sections, so it looks like a bunch of different blogs to anybody else. And we can have different posts in multiple blogs to just give them more than one category, and they'll all fit into their spots. So that's how the website's going to be set up and how it's going to work, and thank you for watching.